Hey viewers, what's up? Today Self-Care presenting a new video about condoms. Using condom is the easiest way to control pregnancy. Condom has other uses too. In this video, I will show you why we use condoms. So keep watching, be healthy and happy. This is our YouTube channel Self-Care. Press the bell icon to get notifications of our latest uploads. Don't forget to like, share and comment and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's start our today's topic, why we use condoms. Condoms can protect you against sexually transmitted infections and they can be used to prevent pregnancy. A male condom is placed over a man's erect penis before sex. Condoms are made of latex or sheep intestine. These days, men and women are using condoms for three reasons. For birth control, as a backup to other birth control methods to avoid slip-ups, accidents, and to protect themselves against sexually transmitted diseases. All birth control methods have a failure rate, so by adding a condom, you are more likely to get your effectiveness nearer to 100%. We are really recommended two methods to have effective protection. A condom is a great addition to any female method. It maximizes the pregnancy protection and also protects against STDs. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, 1 in 5 Americans has genital herpes and half of all sexually active adults will develop HPV. A national survey conducted in 2003 to 4 found that 25% of teenage girls had an STD and nearly 50% of African American girls did. Many people who have STDs don't actually know they are infected. They may believe they are STD free and tell you so, when in fact they are not. If you and your partner are in monogamous relationship, are using another form of birth control and have both tested negative for STDs, however, you may decide to skip condoms. So viewers, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.